it's Susan here from Kawaii no Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project, in which we count down to the year 2020 using costumes. Today we're going to be going back to 2015 and making the tunic dress for Umaru from Himouto Umaru Chan. For Umaru's tunic dress, we're going to be using Simplicity 1018, and we're going to be using View D. To assemble the base dress, we're going to be using a white stretch knit that I got from my local Joann's, and we're going to attach the front, side back, and back pieces along the side seams. And we're also going to sew the front and back pieces together along the shoulders. Cut out the neckband piece. We're going to fold it in half and sew it together along the side. Fold the neckband in half and, putting right sides together, sew it to the neckline of the shirt. After the collar has been sewn on, top stitch along the neckline to keep everything in place. Moving on to the sleeves, we're going to take our base sleeve piece, fold it in half, and sew it together along the side. Umaru wears both short sleeves and long sleeves, so you can just choose what works best for your project. Then, after the sleeve has been sewn, we're then going to hem along the bottom. Sew the sleeves onto the dress, and we're going to finish it by hemming along the bottom hem. And with that, Umaru's tunic dress is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!